Students, welcome to virtual class. In our previous class, we have discussed about biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Today, we will discuss about recycling. What is recycling? Dear students, recycling means separating the usable materials from the waste and converting them into a new product. Means we should separate that materials from the waste by which we can make some another product. For example, paper can be recycled to make newspaper, toilet paper, etc. So, paper is recyclable. That's why that Raddiwala take old paper books from our houses and send that for recycling. Other than that, iron, copper, aluminium, plastic, glass can also be recycled and made into useful items. For waste management, we should adopt these 4 R's in our life. What are these R's? First is reduce, second is reuse, third is recycle, and last but not least is rethink. We will discuss one by one. Reduce. We should reduce the amount of waste produced by us every day. How can we reduce this waste? Here some measures are given to you. How can we reduce that waste? Carry a cloth bag to market to buy some vegetables or fruits. Next point is carry lunch in a tiffin box instead of paper bag. Third point, use washable cloth napkins instead of paper napkins. Fourth, turn off lights when they are not in use. By this we can save our electricity. Next, make compost out of biodegradable waste. By that we can use that waste of garbage and convert that into compost, which is beneficial for plants. Sixth point is use energy efficient light bulbs. Next is reuse. We should use things again for other purpose for which we can. Some methods of reuse are given. First, donate old clothes that are no longer fit for you. Next, donate old toys that are no longer need. Next, use plastic bags as trash bags. Next is use old clothes as cleaning rags. Make cloth bags out of old clothes and donate old books to library or some other needy. Next is recycle. We should separate the usable material from waste and convert into a new product, that is recycle. Benefits of recycling are it reduces the amount of waste. By recycling, we can reduce the amount of waste. Next, it conserves our natural resources like timber, water, iron, etc. Next, it reduces pollution and it also saves energy. Next is rethink. We should minimize the use of non-biodegradable waste. We should think about the managing of waste material to minimize its consequences on humans and environment. We are celebrating Earth Day on 22nd April every year. So by following these 4 R's, we can save our earth. Thank you.